Activating notifications on Adyen can help you stay updated on transactions and other important events. Follow these simple steps to set up notifications effectively. Step 1. Log into your Adyen account. Access your Adyen account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to manage notifications. Step 2. Navigate to the Notifications section. Once logged in, locate the Notifications tab in the main menu. This section allows you to manage all notification settings related to your account. Step 3. Choose notification types. In the Notifications section, you will see various types of notifications available. Select the specific notifications you want to activate, such as payment updates or fraud alerts. Step 4. Configure delivery methods. After selecting the notification types, choose how you want to receive them. Options may include email, SMS, or WhatsApp. Enter the required information for your preferred delivery method. Step 5. Save your settings. Once you have configured the notification types and delivery methods, make sure to save your settings. Look for a Save or Update button to confirm your changes. By following these steps, you can easily activate notifications on Adyen and stay informed about your transactions.